guys looking for anything particular?
You got Pokemon cards? Do you have any of the older style ones? That's all. That's all of them, huh? Yeah. Okay.
We did have boosters of some of the newer sets, but they were stolen last night. So.
Oh no!
Along with half of our stock. That's why we're doing the inventory. Right
That's terrible. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah.
Play or collectors for your kids?
I collect.
Nice.
Yeah. I have quite a few in my collection, but I always like looking through and just kind of seeing what else there is.
Got a few singles in here, but not a whole lot.
I'll take a look.
Just a little bit.
Okay, gotcha. Appreciate it. Thank you. Sorry getting to hear about you guys getting broken into. That stinks. Best of luck. Thank you. I decided to come back. I liked your keychains too much. What'd you say there? They're $3?
This one's base.
I know.
I like that. That's so cute.
I know. I don't know if I want one of the big ones or the little ones though. You like this one, Megan?
Yeah, I like the mouth is open.
I like that. Let's see. 1, 2. I know. Oh, that one's cool too. What is that, a Meowth?
Such luxury! I've hit the big time!
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one
Have
too.
fun.
I like that.
Have fun.
Here you are. Oh, both of them?
Yep.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Maybe we'll see you in Tucson tomorrow, huh? Appreciate it, man. Best of luck to you. We have on
Where do you get it?
right here.
$10.
$10. Got some other ones in here. We'll do 5, huh? No. $10 for this one. Do you have any other ones like these?
That's all me got, man.
All those? What do you got? What about for these 3 wedges? You do 20 for all 4? No?
Oh, you want time, man.
10 for this one?
Yeah. Thank
Cool. Thank you. What did you want for the wedges?
Only that one or all the bag?
Oh, the whole bag.
All bag, give me
That's right.
$80.
80?
It's 2 bags, the big one and the little one.
Ah, I gotcha.
I give you all of them.
Yeah.
And this one too. This is gonna wait for.
You have the driver for this or just the...
I
Yeah,
don't think so.
I see. Got some good ones in there though, huh?
Good deal.
Yeah. I wish I had the room for all of them.
I tell it cheap because I don't have a room to.
Yeah.
You know.
I know it's hard to store all those, you know? Cool. Well, I appreciate it, man. Best of luck. Take it easy.
Really making money, man.
How much is that?
$10.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's pretty good. We got some stuff, my love. Am I right? We're heading back from our trip to Phoenix and we saw a sign that said Painted Rock Trail. So we decided to look that up, see what it was. Apparently it is a group of rocks, I'm going to show you here in a second, that has a bunch of petroglyphs on it that date back to, how far back do they date to, Megan?
300 AD.
Back to 300 AD. So of course we had to stop and check it out. So look at these things. I don't know if it'll let me switch my camera background. I guess not. So check all these things out. super cool. So hopefully you guys could see that. I'm gonna walk around here to the other side. You can get a little bit closer over here so you guys will be able to see them better. But yeah, it cost $2 to park and come check these things out. It's pretty crazy. At first, you know, we thought that somebody else had came and done these, but it looks like, you know, these are the actual hieroglyphics or petroglyphs. I guess there's a difference between when they're painted and when they're scratched onto these rocks. So I'll turn the camera around so you all can see. Pretty crazy. So definitely a pretty cool detour that we just took on the way home. So we're about 3.5 hours from home. We're in this area called Gila Bend. There's not really a whole lot out here. 2 gas stations, a Burger King, and these rocks. So we're gonna get back, and the 9/11 Memorial, which we actually stopped at last time we came through here. It's super cool to see that. There's a piece of one of the World Trade Centers that is actually over by, I believe it's like a post office in Gila Bend. So it's just like a 2-lane road that you drive through. It's just this little town, and yeah, they have a little monument memorial there. That's really cool. So we're gonna get back on the road and be home within the next 3 to 4 hours. So we're just now leaving the Phoenix Park and Swap before it gets too hot. It's about 85, 90 degrees right now, but it's gonna get well over 100 today. There was a lot of really good items in there. I was super surprised. A ton of golf clubs that I saw just right off the bat. Look, I already see golf clubs right there. So 3 of the ones that I got, right at the end there, I picked up this tailor-made golf club for $10. This is going between $45 and $60 on eBay. And then right at the beginning, I picked up these 2 Odyssey putters. Both of these were $10 a piece as well. So for all 3 golf clubs, it was 30 bucks. These 2 alone are probably gonna go anywhere between $45 and $60 a piece because they are Odyssey, so that's a huge return on those. Also, I picked up 2 decks of brand new Pokemon cards. Now these are 2 of the newer age packs. I think these were made in either 2019 or 2020, so they are newer, but they're sealed, so you never really know what you're gonna get inside. If you get a holographic, then you know you're definitely in the money. I also picked up this old school Tommy Hilfiger hat. It kind of looks like, you know, a vintage style hat. It's not in the greatest condition, but for $2, maybe I'll put a little bit of money into it, see if I can clean it up. I'm not really sure what that is on the front of it, but I'll do a little bit of research and I'm sure that I can make some money off of that. And finally, this really nice bender at the end, I picked up this cool little Pikachu right here, and then he tossed in this other one. So we got 2 of these. So overall, extremely impressed. Next time I'm either driving through or visiting Arizona, I'll be sure and put this on my list of flea markets to swing by. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking this one out. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.